Okay, here's the second question in the statistics part of this paper. And here we go. A farm sells milk in 5-liter containers to a local community, and the price varies according to how much, milk is available and the farm stall. The price of milk in rands per 5-liter container and the numbers sold are in this table. And they tell you right here on the x-axis, we have these x values, 26, 32, and so on. And on the y-axis, we have these values. And they ask us to graph them on a scatter plot. And they give us a nice graph, and all we do is go 26 along and 48 up and put a point. And we do that all together. We don't connect all the points. You don't do any of that. You don't connect them all together. It's just a scatter plot. So there's just points all over the place. Okay, so that's it. Determine the equation of least squares regression line for the data. Well, all you do is you go to your calculator and go to the A plus BX button. Press it. Put in all these X values. Put in all these Y values. Press clear. And then go Shift Stat. And then go to regression. And you'll have 3 things to choose from. You'll have A, the y-intercept. You'll have B, the gradient of the line, and you'll have something called the correlation coefficient that we're going to use in all these questions. So you just put those numbers in. Well, first let's see. This is what it looks like when you graph the points. They're just points, just a scatter point. You get that A is 90.478 or 90.48, round that off to the nearest hundredth. That B is negative 1.77. And there you go. So that means the equation of the line is 90.48a plus bx, which is negative 1.77x. There's the equation of the regression line. And then they say, use this line, and it really is the line of best fit that goes through this data. This line, and you could put in x values and y values, it's a straight line that fits this data the best. There it is. How would you predict how many, it says here, a farmer sells milk for 38 rand. If you sell it for 38 rand, let's see how much it should, how many he should sell. Well, all you do is put 38 into the equation, and you get your answer. 23 of these 5-liter containers, 23.22. Now the next question says, refer to this thing called the correlation coefficient. Refer to the correlation between, they don't tell you correlation coefficient. You have to hit that button. You hit the button and it equals negative 0.94. Now 0.8 means it's reasonably strong. 0.94 means it's very strong. It's a strong relationship between the number of units sold and the price of it. Okay, so between the price and the number of units sold, there's a strong relationship. So what does that mean? It means that this line of best fit is going to be pretty good. There's a good chance of the prediction being accurate. That's what it means. A strong correlation coefficient means the line's a pretty good predictor. That's what it's all about. Okay.